Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ranveer and I'm here again with some more information on how you create your 60 seconds video for Local Guide Connect 2019. Okay, I hope my last video was helpful for all of you. There were so many questions and I tried to answer all the questions almost. If you still have any question, then please mention your question in comments. I will try to reply. I'll try to respond at the earliest. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so there are few steps which are provided by Google Local Guide Connect team on how you can create your 60 seconds video. So one very important thing that you should be careful while making this video, it should not exceed 60 seconds. If it gets exceeded 60 seconds, then there are chances that your video may not be viewed. Alright, so let's talk about point number one. Okay, point number one, that there are three options available for you. So out of those three options, you can choose one option, and on one option speak for about 60 seconds. Do not even take complete 60 seconds. Let's make it 59 seconds. So in those three topics, you can choose any of one. So topic number one is tell them about your favorite place and what makes it special. Now let's talk about topic number two. What is one thing you want everyone to know about your community? Then we have topic number three. Why are you proud to be local guide? So in any of the three options, you can choose one option and you can speak on one option for about 60 seconds. Let's say 59 seconds. So there are chances that you get your video reviewed by them. Let's talk about point number two. What point number two says? Point number two says be yourself. So what they want to know, they want to see your personality. They want to understand how creative you are. So when you are presenting yourself, be yourself. And in the video, please do not perform any of the edits, because they want to check your English, they want to check your personality. So do not perform any edits. This video should be in a flow without any cut in it. Alright, let's understand point number three. Wear something in which you feel comfortable and confident. So my suggestion will be wear something in which you feel comfortable and confident, and that can happen only and only in formals. So in my case, I like wearing formals. So you can also try formals. In case you wear anything in which you look uncomfortable, then your confidence will look low. Alright, let's talk about point number four. Point number four says assess your surroundings. What does that mean? It means that the background should be clean and pleasant, and then what they want, that lighting should be good enough, and natural light works best. So whenever you are shooting your video, make sure that good lighting is there and also background is clean. Let's talk about point number five. Point number five says compose yourself in center of the frame and leave little headroom. Headroom is this. Leave little headroom. So whenever you are shooting your video, make sure you are in the center of that frame and headroom space is left enough. And make sure that you are facing that camera and looking straight. It should not be made in any of the angle view. Okay, let's talk about point number six now. Point number six says keep the camera stabilized. What does that mean? That if you are trying to create a video by keeping your cell phone in your hand, then there are chances that your camera will be in moving state. So it's best that you put a camera on table and then start shooting your video. So it should not be moving at all. So still you will need something to support your cell phone, support your camera. So make sure it is stabilized so that it captures great view and the recommended view. Let's talk about point number seven. Point number seven says control the audio. What does that mean? Okay, so make sure whenever you are making video, door is closed, window is closed, there should not be any background noise. Your voice should be clear, it should be crisp, so that the person who is watching your video or listening to you can understand in first go. Let's talk about point number 8, film in landscape. Very important that your video which you are making, it should be in landscape view. If it is not in landscape view, so do not expect it to be reviewed. Landscape view, let me tell you what is landscape view. Okay, so sometimes we create video this way. That's not right. You should create video in this position. So that's landscape view. So make sure when you are creating your video, it is in landscape view. Let's talk about point number 9, which is very important for everyone. So point number 9 says submit your video carefully. Okay, so what happens that when we are uploading our video on YouTube, then there are chances that without finishing that video, we share that link which is available for only the owner view. So if you haven't finished your video and if you are copy pasting that link, then that link will not be available to view for others. So make sure you are submitting your video and it reaches to the final stage where your submission says that it is ready to watch. Okay, now talk about Google Drive as well. If you are uploading your video on Google Drive, then make sure that after uploading the video, you click on share, and the link which is generated by clicking on share that link in the submit form. Okay, alright, I'm sure that you can follow all the 9 steps and create a wonderful video, and all the best to all of you. And yes, you can take help of women as well, because they are great in shooting videos. So maybe you would like to take their assistance. So I will take assistance when I will create my one. So I hope this video is helpful for all of you. All the best. Go ahead and create your best video. Take care of all these things while creating that video. And I'll see you again in next video with some other information, useful information. And my request, if you haven't subscribed my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Any question, any help needed, please mention in comment section. I'll be happy to help you and I'll try to respond at the earliest. All the best, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.